Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Schlage Encode with Apple Home Automation's easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Schlage Encode lock is properly installed and powered. Download the Schlage Home app from the App Store. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your Schlage Encode lock. Scan the QR code on the lock or enter the serial number manually. Ensure your lock is connected to the Wi-Fi network during setup. Once configured, exit the Schlage Home app. Open the Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the plus symbol in the top right corner to add a new accessory. Select Add Accessory and wait for the app to search for devices. When the app detects your Schlage Encode lock, tap on it to connect. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. Assign the lock to a room for better organization within the Home app. You can now create automations by tapping on the Automations tab. Select Create New Automation to begin. Choose the trigger for your automation, such as time of day or location. Select the action that you want to occur, like locking the door automatically. Customize settings according to your preferences and tap Done. Test the automation to ensure it functions as expected. If necessary, make adjustments to the triggers or actions. Congratulations, your Schlage Encode lock is now fully integrated with Apple Home Automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.